Here is a list of equipment needed for a feed finger spring replacement. We recommend purchasing genuine Tackwise parts for optimum tool performance. Always ensure you take the necessary safety precautions before starting. We recommend wearing safety goggles, gloves, and facing the tool away from your face at all times. Always ensure your tool is disconnected from the airline and all fasteners have been removed before starting. Begin by removing the safety cover using your Allen key and spanner to loosen the Allen bolt and bolt cap. Store safely in a dish to the side of your workspace. Use your hook to remove the PU retainer. Remove the pin and feed finger spring. Replace the feed finger spring and reassemble, ensuring the legs fit into the grooves of the feed finger. Reassemble the pin. Reassemble the PU retainer. Click the safety cover into position. Use the Allen key and spanner to fasten the Allen bolt and bolt cap, ensuring the bolt cap is assembled the same side as the safety cover. We recommend testing the tool before use to ensure the trigger mechanism works in accordance with the manual.